And welcome back to Max Make Easy. Let's continue with motions problem on acceleration part 11. Here is the 11th question. A car started from rest. That means its velocity, initial velocity, the starting velocity is 0, right? Picks up to a velocity of 15 meter per second. So it has changed its velocity from 0 to 15 meter per second in 20 seconds, right? In 20 seconds of time, it has changed from 0 to 15 meter per second, and they are asking us to find the acceleration of a car, right? So this is a car and it started from a rest and it has took up to the velocity of 15 meter per second in 20 seconds, and they are asking us to find the acceleration of a car. Now, how to find it out is just write the first given data, and since they have said that it is starting from the rest, so initial velocity, that is starting velocity, it is 0 meter per second, and the velocity is, and the final velocity is 15 meter per second, and what is the time? 20 seconds. And we have to find the acceleration. I hope it's clear, right? What is the formula of acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but change in velocity by time taken. What does this change? Look here, from the rest it has changed to some speed, right? Certain speed it has increased. So this is the change in the velocity. I hope it's clear. So what is change in velocity? It is nothing but final velocity minus initial velocity. This is why they have said the car is in rest. So it was the initial starting velocity. And at what velocity it was pick up, then it has started. So it will be the final velocity. Is it clear now? Just replace this change in velocity with final velocity minus initial velocity. If you can remember this one formula, that's sufficient. Right? This one is sufficient. Now we are going to just substitute the values over here. Acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken. What is final velocity? 15 meter per second. Just substitute over here minus what is initial velocity? 0 meter per second by what is time taken? 20 seconds. Just write down 20 seconds over here. Now 15 minus 0 will be 15 meter per second by 20 seconds. So when you do the cancellation, you will get 0.75 meter second square. How did you got this second square? Look here, children. Look at the units. It is meter per second. It is in a fraction form. But look at the denominator, seconds. It is not in a fraction form. So you have to think that even the denominator, the seconds is in fraction. When you are dividing the top one with fraction, even the lower one should be in fraction. So consider it as seconds by 1. Right? See, look here now. Both are in fractions. You are dividing the fractions, both the units which are in fractions. Right? So always in max, you might have done this. Always dividing the fractions. How will you divide the fraction? So whenever you are dividing a fraction, it will become reciprocal. What is reciprocal? Look here, I am writing the numerator as it is, and this denominator part, right? Seconds by 1. This one will become reciprocal. That means numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. This one is in denominator. So you will write it in numerator, and this yes is in numerator. You'll write it in denominator. Look here, children. Now if you multiply, what you will get? 1 into meter is meter per second square. Right? This is how I got the unit meter per second square. I hope it's very clear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. If you want to just have a look at different methods and different problems, just check the description box. I have given a links over there. Thank you.